to the mission drizzle.
Ryder needs us.
Callie's stuck in the snow. We need to dig her out and fast.
What sound?
With just a few simple ingredients, you can make fake snow right at home. All you need is baking soda, shaving cream, a stir stick, a bowl, and you can even add some glitter. Are you ready, Evelyn?
Yeah. What to do?
The first thing we're going to do is pour a cup of baking soda into our bowl. Next, you're going to add roughly a cup of shaving cream into the bowl. And now you're going to stir. The stick is not working, so Evelyn is going to use her hands and get a little messy. Now we're going to add a little glitter. We're going to add just a little water to get the consistency that we want.
Mommy, I might do a snowball for you.
Good job, Evelyn. Thank you.
Callie got stuck in an avalanche. We need the Paw Patrol's help. Everest! Because you're a fast digger, we need you to help dig Callie out.
Ice or snow, I'm ready to go.
Sky! We need you on the lookout for any storms that may be approaching.
Let's take your guy.
Rubble! We need you and your rig to help Everest dig out Callie. You got it, Rydell! Rubble, I'm the devil!
Yes, I did for Ryder.
Roger that, Sky. Coming in for landing.
I'm on my way!
Hi, Rebel.
Oh no! Poor Callie!
Here, let me start digging first. Don't worry, Callie. We'll save you. Okay, Rebel, you can start digging now.
Got it, Everest! Almost?
There, Callie.
Got you!
Yay! Now let's get you home. I bet Katie has a nice bath waiting for you.
With lots of bubbles!
Here we come, Adventure Bay.